How to easily subtract in MS Excel. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily subtract values in MS Excel. So as here you can see, I have this sample data right here which consists of the revenue and costs, and if we will subtract the costs from the revenue, then we will be remain with the profit. So let me show you how you can do this. So first move on to that particular cell where you want the subtracted value to be present, and then you will need to type in this following formula. The formula is equals to, and then you will need to type in the value of that particular cell or that particular cell address from which you are going to subtract the value. In this case, the revenue. So you can either choose to simply click onto that particular cell of the revenue, or you can also type in its value. So it would be better to simply specify the cell address, which is A2 in this case. So simply click onto that particular cell, and here you can see that Excel has automatically identified the cell address, and then you will need to type in a minus sign, and then from here you need to type in or specify the address of the subtracting cost, that is B2 in this case. So simply type in this B2 option and then hit the enter button, and here you can see this is the difference between these two values. So this is our net profit for this particular entries, where the revenue is this and the cost is this, and we are left with this much of profit. Now you can expand this to the other rows as well by simply dragging and autofilling these values just like this. And here is all of our profit for these particular values. So that's how easily you can calculate the difference or calculate the subtraction of different values in MS Excel. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.